What is up, you guys? Today we're going to be installing an exhaust system in my 2022 BRZ. I am really excited because, as you may know, I got the BRZ about a month ago and I've been wanting to do some installs. So although this is actually not for the 2022 BRZ, I really wanted to try it out, and Borla was one of my favorite exhaust systems that I really wanted to try out. This is actually pre-loved by somebody else. The guy who previously owned it had only had about 100 miles on this car, or on this existing exhaust system, but I'm pretty excited. The current exhaust system, it's fairly quiet, as many people say, but I kind of want to hear a little bit more of a rumble, so we're gonna definitely try this out and hope we like it. Alright, you guys, so we have lifted up the car and then we also removed the fake exhaust module system. What you can do is check out Eddie Lepis's YouTube channel. He does a quick and short tutorial, super easy, and that's what we did so far. Got my safety goggles on because I sprayed some. Oh my god, my face! I spit some PB penetrating this thing. So yep, got it a little bit loosey goosey. Got my safety goggles on because safety, you know. Paulina would be so proud.
Nice.
There you go. Alright. We got it out. Try not to hit my head. There are 4 exhaust hangers. Look at that. There's a QR code. Try not to hit myself. Woo!
So that's it, huh?
This is it. And there's another QR code. I don't know why I'm so excited about QR codes.
This is definitely thicker.
Yeah. Same bend, so hopefully where the hanger is approximately the same. I mean, get a little closer. Looks like it's slightly off.
Tad.
Just a tad. But hopefully that won't be too bad. It's just really a hanger. What you think?
See?
So we got that part installed. Now we just gotta do the tips. Push it in. Ooh. Push it. I'm giving birth. Just kidding. There you go. Such a cute angle though. Alright. Cool.
One side done.
One side done. Slightly in there.
Last one.
Last one. Alright, so the exhaust is installed. It's my first mod for my 2022 BRZ. Really excited. So we're gonna do the cold start right now. So go ahead. Oh my gosh. Oh! Oh my gosh. Oh! Wow. Ooh. That rumble. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm so excited. I'm so happy. We're gonna take it out for a spin. Woo. Hear that? Gonna take it out for a spin now. Whoa. love it. Alright, you guys, so we have been driving around for a little bit just to, have a little joyride, get to hear the car. But yeah, I, again, personally like this type of exhaust sound. It's not the loudest, it's my personal favorite. If you want something louder, definitely try something else. The person who gave us this Borla exhaust, or that we bought the Borla exhaust from, he actually got the NVIDIA. That's another option for you if you're interested. This is my personal favorite. So I'm really happy. I'm glad that we were able to get this installed, and it fits perfectly well with my 2022 BRZ. So if you guys want to see more progress, more builds, more mods for my 2022 BRZ, definitely please subscribe, follow our journey, and if you're also interested in other Subarus like our Outback and other off-roading vehicles and trips, definitely still give us a follow, and keep on trekking. Bye everyone.